I'm Susan Kahn from Sue's Strategies. Sounding out words correctly requires knowing the right sounds. I will model the sounds from each flashcard for you. Each single vowel requires a special spelling at the end of a root word. The A sound at the end of a root word is spelled AY, like pay and day. The E sound at the end of a root word is spelled Y, like candy and pony. The I sound at the end of a root word is spelled Y, like sky and fly. The O sound at the end of a root word is spelled OW, like throw and snow, but it may also make an OW sound for cow and now. The U sound at the end of a root word is spelled EW, like flew and brew. Ending AY makes an A sound, like pay and day. Ending Y makes an I sound, like sky and fly. Ending Y on a multisyllabic word usually makes an E sound, like candy and pony. Ending OW makes two sounds, O for yellow and grow, OW for now and cow. Ending EW makes an OO sound, like flew and brew. The pattern of using Y and W to spell an ending vowel sound also works for AW, OY, and EY. Ending AW makes an AW sound, like draw and jaw. Ending OY makes an OY sound, like boy and toy. Ending EY, occasionally for nouns, makes an E sound, like key and money. To create a W, make two U's, single U, double U, side by side. To create a W, make two U's. Position in the word tells you which one to choose. When single U or double U follows a vowel, together they will make the same vowel sound, AU or AW, EU or EW, OU or OW. AU, when first or middle, makes the AW sound, like auto and laundry. OU, when first or middle, makes an OW sound, like couch or sour, unless it makes an OO sound, like group and soup. EU, when first or middle, makes a U sound, like Europe and feud. CK, TCH, DGE, and one-syllable words, when following only one single vowel. Ending CK makes a K sound, like duck and chick. Ending TCH makes a ch sound, as in witch and catch. Ending DGE makes a j sound, like badge and bridge. A vowel team could be 2, 3, or 4 side-by-side letters that make only one vowel sound. AI, UI, EA, OA. In these vowel teams, the first vowel says its name in the alphabet and the second letter is silent. AI makes an A sound, as in sail and train. UI makes an OO sound, as in fruit and suitcase. EA makes an E sound, as in eat and peach, unless it's making an E sound in head and weather. OA makes an O sound like boat and coat. E, I, O, U. Since ending E is silent, the first vowel says its name in the alphabet. E makes an E sound, like tree and three. IE makes two sounds, I for pie and tie, E for thief and peace. OE makes an O sound, like toe and oboe. UE makes an oo sound, like blue and glue. OO never makes an O sound. Instead, it makes oo for moon and cool, or for cook and book. IGH, EIGH. Sometimes vowels join consonants to make a team. The GH is silent. IGH makes an I sound, like bright and light. EIGH makes an A sound, like sleigh and wait. ANG, ANK, IND, OLD. These letter teams ignore phonetic patterns about an inside vowel because the vowel does say its name. ANG makes an eng sound, like rang and bang. ANK makes an enk sound, like sank and rank. IND makes an ind sound, like bind and find. OLD makes an old sound, like old and sold. ING, INK. In these letter teams, the I will surprise you and sound like an E. Ing. ING makes an ing sound, like wing and sing. INK makes an ink sound, like wink and pink. After correctly syllabicating a word, blend the sounds that correspond to these flashcards together to read words one syllable at a time. One breath for each syllable. You will find this strategy leads to reading success. Great work! Congratulations! You have completed Part 3, Vowel Teams.